Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at the broader market QQ and SPY, and also the tech stocks, individual stocks like Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Netflix that drives the whole broader market as well, majority of it, right? Is the crash cancelled? Guys, the bulls rotated it, isn't it? Look at these wicks coming at the bottom here, the buying pressure. The structure held itself. Is it the thing? Are we going to go new highs from here? We'll talk about all of that, guys, in this video. This is a strong super move that happened in the last power hour. Things like, well, okay, let's jump right into it. All right. So I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Okay, do your own due diligence and you do whatever you want to do. Okay, I'm just sharing my opinion here, nothing more than that. All right, so where do we start? With Microsoft, with QQ, SPY, what? All right, let's start with QQQ. All right, now look at it. The area, bulls recaptured it. The structure, 449. Yes, we were breaking below it today. But the way the candle closed on the daily interval, look at this beauty. The wick, like the buying pressure. That's, structure is still holding bullish now. This was it. If bulls wanted to rotate it, they had to do it here and they did it. Now what? Are we going higher up from here? Well, technicals are looking like that, but I always like to be prepared. What if? So still, if the structure needs to break, if it breaks, that will be below 448 and 449. But as of right now, structure bulls have recaptured the structure. Crash is cancelled. Sell off is cancelled, or whatever you want to say it, right? Wow, what a move. I'll talk about more in detail over the weekend as well, but just to show you a couple of things here as well. So on hourly interval, and also let me adjust a couple of things here on my indicator. And what was I gonna do? Here we go. All right, so you can see that what a buy happened here, right? So here's the thing. We are still below the 200 hours moving average, but guys, this type of buying can't be ignored. Now the structure, technically, even though we are below 200 hours moving average, but there's a start of structure happening on intraday. Now it all comes down to Monday. If we stay above 449, this has a room to go up. So yes, this bulls have shown up. The structure, it all comes down to this now. Again, 449 and Monday. If we can stay above it and continue higher, nothing is stopping QQ to continue higher. Yeah, this is area like 448 to 449 was the structural area. Regaining it is a win, and the rotation that bulls are still holding on their side. All right, so let's take a look at SPY. And as I said, I'll talk more about over the weekend as well, but let's talk about here SPY, because I couldn't wait to talk about it. SPY, it regained. Look at this thing. Bulls rotated it. It went to our precise level 518. So technically, our plan still worked, right? We were talking about the weakness below 527. The next level to watch was 524, and the break of it would be giving you the level of 518. So we got all of that, and the next play was if we lose below that 518 and 50 days moving average, but bulls held over there. They rotated SPY back to the upside, and recapturing the structure as well. 524. SPY is, and I want you to buy into it after much more pullback, but yeah, this thing is just running up again. So yeah, structure is still regained into the pullback. We are even holding a pivot now, and we are above the structural break as well, that is 524. So SPY as of right now is bullish structure still. Look at this thing. I mean, it took out everything today on hourly interval. Oops, sorry. Yeah, guys, structure is very strong on this thing right now. All right, so yeah, like above 524, we are bullish. I mean, I don't even want to waste more time talking about it. We are bullish. As I said, I'll talk more about over the weekend. So guys, I'll take you over Microsoft, Apple, other tech stocks real quick here, but individual videos will be coming out over the weekend with much more detail and depth. I'm just going to show you what's going on very high level. Microsoft, really a good wick coming down here, right? And most of these stocks are the drivers of the broader market as well. So is this fully bullish again? As I said, we'll talk about it later over the weekend as well, but I'm just showing you that Microsoft has a really good buying candle that has come. As for the structure, everything, as I said, we'll talk about over the weekend. On the Apple side, let's take a look at daily interval. Yeah, Apple is just constantly holding itself bullish here. I mean, it's not even doing any good pullback. Any pullback coming on this is just getting bought back up. 20 days moving average is just keeping it higher and higher. And this has regained its structure since the time of 189 back up again. Yeah, it's just still long. Google. So Google was doing a breakout structure below 20 days moving average today, got bought back up, but does it has enough strength to continue higher up from here? I'll talk about it over the weekend, but yes, everything has been bought back up in the very last hour. It's not fully in the bullish structure though, Google, but this thing has still room to slip, but looks like it wants to hold. We'll take a look at hourly interval again. As I said, over the weekend, video will be coming out on this. Yeah, Google is a little bit of an exception here. Structure hasn't really confirmed full bullish on Google again. I mean, structure is bullish on the swing, but not on the fully on the intraday side yet. Amazon. So Amazon, guys, as you know, I was in the short play and I'm still in the short play, but some of the position I have already taken out today in partial profits. So whenever it goes to my around 50% of the position, I take some out. And so let me mark it here, how much is left of my position, and 55% short remaining on this. 45% I took out today in profit, and remaining 55% I'm still holding. So that's that. All right, here we go. All right, this way it will just stay here and I can follow through this thing whenever we visit this. All right, so that's Amazon, and Amazon structure is still weaker. It's not bullish yet, and I'll talk more about over the weekend, but yeah, it's not bullish fully. Meta. So Meta is playing with me today, right? So, but anyways, that's fine. My long play is fully over on this. I haven't opened up a short play yet. As you know, if I close my position that very day, you know my rules. I don't open the play that particular day itself. So yeah, the short position, I'm still interested on it, but we'll see. But yeah, so my long play, what happened with that, right? So yeah, I took some partial profits out here, 75% of the position, and then remaining I was sizing out even on these red candles, and then whatever, I think 10% or 5%, whatever was remaining today hit my stop loss as well. And that was it. And no, I didn't open the short play yet because, as you know, the day I close my one position, I don't usually flip my swing position the very same day. I wait for the next day. And good thing that principle is saving me here, because then, yeah, this is going against me right now if I would have opened a short today. So, but anyways, Meta is still holding a structure at 462, but is it fully bullish or bearish? We'll talk about it over the weekend. But yeah, this is not bearish. Just so you know, in this video, this is not fully bullish. Sorry, not fully bearish yet. And we'll talk about if it's bullish or not over the weekend. So definitely hit the subscribe and like. Netflix. Netflix has been bullish. Even after sell-off, it was bullish. I was talking about as long as we are above 624, this will just stay bullish. That's just going to be a pullback. So Netflix is just still bullish, guys. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Tesla video will be coming out soon as well, and other videos as well. So, but yeah, this is what I wanted to talk about in this video. I just couldn't wait to talk about it because I was seeing this price action on this broader market, and I'm like, wow, you know. So, all right, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.